Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something very special and personal, your dreams. Everyone has dreams. Some people dream of becoming successful, some dream of traveling the world, and some dream of helping their families live a better life. Dreams give us direction. They give up a reason to wake up every morning and work harder. So, today let's talk about your dreams, why they matter, and how you can turn your dreams into reality. Let's get started. First of all, what is a dream? A dream is something you truly want to achieve in your life. It is a goal, a vision, or a future you imagine for yourself. Dreams can be big or small. For example, you may dream of speaking English fluently. You may dream of becoming a doctor. You may dream of starting your own business. You may dream of becoming financially independent. You may dream of making your parents proud. Every dream is important because it reflects what matters to you. Without dreams, life can be directionless. Let me share an example. Imagine a young student who struggles to speak English. Whenever he tries to speak, he feels nervous. People laugh at his mistakes. Sometimes he feels embarrassed. What deep inside he has a dream. His dream is to speak English confidently. He wants to communicate with the people around the world. He wants to create opportunities for himself. Every day he practices. Some days are difficult. Some days he feels like giving up. But he continues because his dream is stronger than his fear. And one day he becomes fluent. This is how dreams work. They start as an idea and become reality. Through consistent efforts, dreams are important for many reasons. First, dreams motivate us. When you have a dream, you have a reason to work hard. Second, dreams help us stay focused. Instead of wasting time, we start investing time in learning and improving. Third, dreams help us overcome challenges. Whenever life becomes difficult, our dreams remind us why we started. Think about successful people. Most of them faced failures. Most of them faced rejection. What they kept moving forward because they believed in their dreams. Remember this. A person without dreams often quits. A person with dreams keeps going. Many people have dreams, but not everyone achieves them. Why? Because obstacles appear. Let's talk about some common obstacles. First is fear. Fear is one of the biggest obstacles. People are afraid of failures. They are afraid of making mistakes. They are afraid of being judged. What? Remember, failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of success. Every successful person has failed many times. Second is self doubt. Many people think, I am not smart enough. I am not talented enough. I can't do it. These thoughts can stop you before you even start. Believe in yourself. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep improving. Third is lack of consistency. Many people start with excitement, but after a few days they quit. Dreams don't come true because of motivation alone. Dreams come true because of discipline. Small daily actions create big results. Now let's discuss how you can achieve your dreams. Step 1. Be clear. Know exactly what you want. Instead of saying, I want success, say, I want to become fluent in English within 1 year. Specific goals are easier to achieve. Step 2. Create a plan. A dream without a plan remains a dream. Break your dream into small steps. For example, if your dream is to improve English, learn 5 new words daily. Practice speaking for 10 minutes every day. Watch English content regularly. Step 3. Stay consistent. Consistency is powerful. Even if you improve only 1% every day, you will become much better over time. Don't focus on being perfect. Focus on showing up every day. Step 4. Learn from failure. When you fail, don't stop. Learn, adjust, improve, then try again. Every mistake teaches something valuable. Before I end this video, I want you to think about your biggest dream. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine your future. Imagine yourself achieving that dream. Imagine the happiness. Imagine the confidence. Imagine the pride in your family's eyes. Now ask yourself, what can I do today to move one step closer to that dream? Remember, dreams don't work unless you do. Success doesn't happen overnight. What if you stay focused, stay patient, and keep moving forward? Amazing things can happen. Never stop dreaming. Never stop believing in yourself. And most importantly, never stop taking action. Thank you so much for listening. If you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to subscribe and tell me in the comments what is your biggest dream. See you in the next video. Take care and keep chasing your dreams.